In this video, I will show how to change default font in Excel. So open Excel, then options, and here in Journal tab, you will see when creating new workbooks, use this as the default font. So in this drop down, you can select your desired font. You can select your desired font size, and there are some more options. Or leave as default. Just select your desired font, then click on OK. Please close and restart Microsoft Excel so that the font changes can take effect. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.